Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about studio microphones in recent years, the Warm Audio wa87 R2 Blackout Edition. Inspired by the legendary Neumann wa87, this mic aims to bring that vintage, silky sound into an affordable and modern package. Design build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the wa87 R2 Blackout is its sleek, all-black matte finish. It has a bold yet professional look that easily stands out in any studio setup. The build is solid, made with premium components like a Cinemag USA transformer and high-quality capacitors. Sound quality. The wa87 R2 Blackout delivers a rich, full-bodied tone with a warm low end, natural mids, and a silky smooth high end that never feels harsh. Vocals come out detailed and present, making it fantastic for singers, voiceovers, and even podcasting. Overall, the Warm Audio wa87 R2 Blackout Edition is one of the best large diaphragm condenser microphones you can get in its price range. It's professional, versatile, and brings that classic studio vibe into modern productions. Thank you so much.